Have you ever wished you could just create something out of thin air? Like a perfect replica of your idea or a tool that fits just right? Well, today, we're diving into why 3D printers are making that wish a reality for so many. Think about inventing something new, a prototype. Traditionally, it was slow and expensive, but with 3D printing, engineers and designers can quickly and affordably bring their ideas from screen to hand, testing and refining in hours, not weeks. Beyond prototypes, 3D printers excel at creating incredibly complex shapes, designs that traditional manufacturing just couldn't handle, leading to lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts for everything from aerospace to medical devices. It's also about accessibility. These amazing machines are no longer just for big factories. Hobbyists, small businesses, and even schools can now affordably create custom tools, replacement parts, or personalized gifts, democratizing manufacturing. So why 3D printers? Because they empower us to innovate faster, build the impossible, and make creation accessible to everyone, fundamentally changing how we design, produce, and interact with the physical world. Subscribe for more amazing facts.